Why?
Oh, this is video. I'm so sorry.
Oh, you're videoing him? You have to pan back so you can actually see what's going on.
It's really warm. I thought it'd be cold.
For a fridge, that's quite weird.
You're such a bastard.
Zoom back so you can see it.
Sorry, Will has been trapped. Well,
I want to see if you can you actually get out from it there?
I'm gonna go behind.
No.
There's no way out this way.
Can
No.
you seriously not move the doors?
No. There is no way out. He should be making his escape really soon.
Come on, you can get your fingers in there, surely.
Oh, yeah.
If
Can you not pull it?
No.
if his claims are correct, he should be able to escape this in 30 seconds. It's been more like 2 minutes now.
Okay.
Someone's gonna have to help him
There you go.
before he suffocates.
You realise the other one's open?
Oh, good lord. It's like a fucking furnace.
Get in there!
It's so hot.
Who falls for that? I bet you can't fit in that trick.
Another failed attempt at an escape from a fridge.
I did
I'm
my
so
best.
sorry.
I did my best.
Nice one.